My name is Muskan. I read in 11th class. My school name is Government High Secondary School, Karnashkar. Today my topic is need for Lokpal. The need for a governing body which can halt the ever increasing corruption in our nation has become the need of the hour of a developing country like ours. An anti-corruption committee has the potential to take our nation's governance to a new level. After the Lokpal and Lokayuktas Bill 2013 was passed in December 2013 after an intense protest by Anna Hazare, the question still remains, why is there no Lokpal yet? The Supreme Court said the government's stand on completing the appointment of the Lokpal and ombudsman to protect the common man from corruption in public service and power centers is wholly unsatisfactory. What is the Lokpal Bill? This bill was first introduced by Advocate Shanti Bhushan, but it was not passed as people did not warm up to the idea of establishment of an anti-corruption body. The main purpose of this bill was to decrease the overall corruption and listen to the grievances of the citizens of this country. This bill was also built with the help of inputs and improvements suggested by ordinary citizens. Lokpal Bill was put forth in the Parliament about 8 times since 1968, after which it was finally passed in late 2013. Provisions of the Act. The Act consists of setting up a team called Lokpal headed by a chairperson and consisting of 8 people. This committee will have the power to investigate people who might be acquiring money through corrupt means. All categories of public servants will be covered under Lokpal, including the Prime Minister, while the armed forces will be exempted. The body will also have the power of confiscating property for assets acquired by corrupt means. Special powers of the Lokpal. One of the main powers of the Lokpal is that they can protect all the public servants who act as whistleblowers. They also have a special whistleblower protection act established from the same reason. Lokpal will also be given the power to conduct trials in a special court if that the trial is of extreme importance. They can also fine people for false or inaccurate complaints. The fines can amount up to rupees 2 lakh. Thank you.